This 2010 Jayco Jay Feather Select 235 EXP is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 8, DVD player, auxiliary battery, LP detector, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2010 Jayco Jay Feather Select 235 EXP is 5,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.